He's trying to breastfeed.
Yeah, he's trying to get it on.
Is that gonna happen?
That hair hanging on the back of that head. He's got long hair too.
See how he's curled up with his back up? That's how he was in me. That's how he was inside of you? Yeah.
You see his little head? I got him. It's an auburn head.
Oh, really?
Did you see his island?
I did.
Yeah. Let me listen to the recording that way you can get it if you need it again. Here, he's already trying to keep his head in the rest of that.
You're going to have to show me how to download these because they're very graphic photos.
Oh.
It's showing the whole delivery.
It's not hard.
Okay.
This is good, real good for your baby. That when you want to like pass them around the room.
How to get a line and rotate.
Wrap them up in a blanket, then everybody else can.
Yeah, I want to be
Okay.
after Dr.
She's number
Harris.
one.
Yeah.
Just call me and I'll wrap it back up for y'all. So y'all can hold them in. Okay? Just call me if you need anything. Just that Benadryl and Motrin will take a little bit